All right, guys, we got the zero sugar Sprite because we're watching our cows and we're gonna crack her open. Nice. Oh, all right. Gotta drink the whole bottle. It's ice cold, it's Chili Billy, and we're gonna drink it right now. No burps allowed or else we fail. I am wasting a lot. Don't burp, bitch. I'm not good at chugging things, so we're taking it nice and slow. Almost done. 0 cows. Almost done. And we finished it. Do I feel like I have to burp? Yes. Is it hurting? I'm gonna cry. I am gonna cry, I think. We're not gonna burp though. Please cut.